Today I'm working out of my cookbook and I'm going to make my Abuelita's creamy champurrado. I will also put a link for the cookbook in the description below this video. So if you're on your phone, you could screenshot this. This is the ingredient list that you'll need for this champurrado today. So to start, I've bundled 1 cinnamon stick, 4 whole cloves, and 4 allspice berries in this cheesecloth. And what I'm going to do next is take a 1/2 cup of warm water and add a 1/3 cup of masa harina. This is like the Maseca brand that you use to make corn tortillas or tamale dough, or the masa for tamales. I just gave that a mix and set aside until I need it. Here I have around 2 ounces of piloncillo. You could also use dark brown sugar. And 1 tablet of Mexican chocolate. Now, a lot of the ratios for the sweetness and chocolate, it really is to your preference. Here I'm also using a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk and 3 to 4 cups of water. I like to use 4 cups, but if you want this to be thicker, then maybe use 3. So into my pot, I'm adding my water. I'm also going to add that bundle of cinnamon, cloves, and allspice berries and let that come up to a boil. Now I'm going to add my piloncillo. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt. You could also add the salt to the maseca mix or the masa harina. So I'm just going to let that dissolve and steep for about 5 minutes. And right about here, I'm going to start adding my chocolate. You could break this apart. I'm just going to add the whole tablet. And I'm going to add my evaporated milk. And over a medium-low to low heat, just let that simmer. Before I forget, I'm going to go ahead and remove this little cheesecloth bundle out. But if you want, you could leave it to let it continue steeping. So I'm just going to mix this and dissolve the chocolate. I'm going to use my molinillo. You could use a whisk and just combine well. Once it's combined, I'm going to add my masa harina that I mixed with that water. And now just continue mixing and whisking until it is gently simmering and it starts to thicken. Now, if you want this thicker, you could add more masa harina, but trust me, the longer that it simmers and sets, it thickens. So now I'm going to serve a cup, and this actually goes perfect with tamales. By the way, I have a recipe video for chicken mole tamales that I've made in banana leaves. They're so good, and they are a family favorite, especially with the cold weather. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.